How to make e-signature in Canva. So first open up Canva and then just open up a clear or blank canvas like this one. And then you can just click on draw here or click on tools first and then select draw. Okay. Now here you can just select the kind of pen that you want to use. So let's say I'm going to use this one. Then I'll just change the color to, let's just select black here. And then here you can begin writing your signature. So let's say I'm going to write this one, how to mastery, something like that. And then let's say you're not satisfied with that, you can just change it to this one and then just try writing your signature using this pen instead. Then you can also just try and select, and you can also change the positions here as well. You can increase the size as well. So let's say you're done, you're satisfied with this, you can just click on share here and then click on download. And then if you have Pro, you can just click on a transparent background if you want to download it as a transparent background, and then click on download. Now if you're not satisfied with this, you can just let's say we can just use templates. So let's say click on templates here, then let's just look for signatures, and then let's say we're going to select this one, then click on customize this template, and then let's just change this text to what, something like that. Let's say I don't want this, delete that. Then let's say you're satisfied with this. Again, you can just click on share and then click on download here, and then just click on download again. So that's it. So if you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.